Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a post on the Tellonym application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below, which is the first up. Click on the what's on your mind section and type in something that you would like to, and you should select whether you would like it to share on your Instagram or on your Snapchat. And after that, you should click on the send button down below. So here you can find it. If you tap on the three dots icon next to it, you can share it or pin to your profile or even remove it so that you will get rid of this post. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.